you? There you are. I want everybody to see your ducks. You coming out? Coming out, Baldwin? Come on. Hi. Hi. Coming out? Come on. Are you cold? Are you cold? Hi, Baldwin. Hi, Baldwin. Hi, Baldwin. He's got his little tunnel there that he can chew on, his bumblebee, and how'd you get that in there? His piggy bank, and Chewy balls. His ghost, a little early for Halloween. And his food. And you guys already got your owl tipped over and your mirror drug out. And your hay all eaten. Holy jumpins! I just felt that, you little bunch of peaky wigs. I feel it again. Holy cow, were you hungry? You shouldn't have been, you just ate a bunch of lettuce. You sleeping, Angel? Oh, Heidi, I hear you. You want to get your picture taken too? Okay. There's Heidi Bird. Hi, Heidi Bird. Hi, Heidi. Hi, Heidi. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. I'm going to bed soon, so you're not coming out tonight. No. Not tonight. There's the other two. Harriet. Just looks like a big black ball of fluff. Hi, Phoebe.